This is Getting Pregnant, the ultimate guide to overcoming infertility and fulfill your dream of having a baby. Written by Dr. Devashish Plumbson. Read by Dolle. Introduction. Far too many people struggle to fall pregnant and conceive a child naturally. This generally drives most people to visit a doctor or specialist to find out why they have so much trouble conceiving and giving birth to healthy, happy babies. In most cases, they're given a diagnosis of infertility. Unfortunately, there are many different reasons for infertility, so this doesn't always help. It's known that ovarian cysts, PCOS, and endometriosis can affect your fertility rate, as can a low sperm count. Some people are affected by other hormonal issues, or more complicated problems such as blocked or obstructed fallopian tubes. Even with all the advances made by medical science, there still remains a possibility that doctors simply can't find a cause for some people's infertility problems. Yet what most people forget is that traditional, natural remedies often have a far greater success rate than expensive, often painful medical treatments. Despite a higher success rate, many people choose to ignore natural treatments and solutions that really could prepare your body to conceive naturally, even after being told that you're infertile by a medical specialist. In fact, it's been proven that some fertility treatments prescribed by fertility specialists can increase the risk of contracting ovarian cancer. Yet women every day still opt to take expensive medications rather than consider some of the more healthy options of trying a holistic approach. What's more, many of the medical treatments, surgeries, and pharmaceutical drugs for infertility don't actually treat the base cause of the problem. Instead, they treat the symptom and attempt to remove it that way. This can sometimes cause more problems than you started with. This ebook will look at some reasons for infertility and how using a natural, holistic approach to reversing your infertility problems can greatly improve your chances of conceiving a child of your own, without surgery and without drugs. Are you ready to change your life and become a happy parent? Reasons for infertility in women. There are so many different reasons for infertility in both men and women that it's impossible to use a blanket term to cover everything. Instead, it's important to look at various things that could affect your chances of conceiving and consider what diagnosis suits your own personal situation. Ovarian cysts. Ovarian cysts are small fluid-like sacs that develop in the ovaries. In most cases, they are completely harmless, but they can rupture and cause tremendous pain. If a ruptured cyst is left untreated, it can form sepsis, which is quite toxic and potentially lethal. Of course, the presence of ovarian cysts can also interfere with normal conception. Most medical specialists will recommend that any cyst be removed surgically, which can be a painful and expensive procedure. What they don't tell you is that it's possible to reduce ovarian cysts naturally and painlessly. Lazy ovaries. Some specialists will diagnose lazy ovaries as a cause of infertility. This simply means an egg isn't being released when it should.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?